of all, my name is Monica. Most of you know me as Saragaba. And starting from that side, I can see Mami Marijani.
Marijani?
Yes, he used to act in, I knew him from, what is that show on TV? Deception. That's the first thing I got to know about him. Yeah, there's Debbie right there.
Debbie.
And there's even Namlono over there. There's Remy Faith right there.
Remy
Faith. There's Ajiswan 256.
Always swagged up.
Stage queen.
Yeah.
There's Fiona. She's very talented. She had taken a break from acting.
Wow.
Now she's back. Very, very talented.
Good to see her.
Actually, she joined when she was
a baby.
P7.
And Start Trouble was her first production on stage.
Sapuli demo.
Yeah. And she really did a good job.
Yes.
This is Dangote, Solomon Chimori.
Alright.
He's with us already.
Alright.
This is Hilina Chimori, the diva. She's a singer as well as actress. There's Vishanda Edison over there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. The next over there.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a TV presenter.
Alright.
In an actress right now.
Yes.
She's acting with us. She's going to be in the show.
Alright.
So everyone right there is going to be in the show on the 20th. And then we have temporary Ebonies. But once an Ebony.
Yeah. Alright, an Ebony.
So you're not leaving.
But before we even go to that break time, yeah, why are you guys? Why we? Akadada chike also sigara na mulibatu. Now we the chimuza. Batu nyonyoleko. Now the master wakuru that
Past, present, and into the future.
Yes.
And the national Ganya, the
Young at heart.
yeah. Something about energy. I do what pleases me. And once I have someone resonating with my energy, they give me even more energy to move on. So I do not want to look at myself as an age, I'm old. As long as I'm able to enjoy life,
Yes.
I take it on. If I play with my kids,
Women fear to be old.
I don't fear it.
When you wake up in the mirror, Fauzia, you're just
You're as old as you feel, by the way.
seriously.
If you let it weigh down on you, then you labor. But you have to exercise, you have to eat well, you have to stay healthy. Because at my age, I'm not able to eat anything that comes with. I have to be picking up food I take.
Yeah.
I have to exercise.
Tanya
And Yako was because you need iron.
amanyi ddala towili muyamuli amanyi ennyama erimu ayani omukyere gubeeramu eki abimanyi We've seen, before I got to Dr. Bossa, we've seen a drama, come from stage plays to you guys, transformed it to TV. Now we have movies and all that stuff. Ebonies against it in a way to make sure, you stay, ahead of time. Because back in the day, before even anyone started TV dramas, Ebonies was there doing these things. Even your productions, you would watch an Ebony play and it's like a movie that you're watching, physically. So you guys have always been ahead of time. What are you doing right now to make sure the future you resonate with the Gen Zs?
Okay, just to take you back.
Yeah.
You realize that Ebonies was the first group that moved people away from the Western soaps to start doing the like what to start doing the soaps right here in Uganda. Until, as I told you, we need to evolve in order to keep up with the times. So we are using this 47th milestone to be able to launch into the future, because as you keep doing plays and movies and all those soaps on TV, you realize that when we market the tapping that in, and working our population census over that 70% is below 30 years. So it's like almost industry.
Yes.
So that we are using this as a launch pad of and team to sort of tapia into the future. Ebonies is relevant.
Yes.
Nganaba na watonga wakatelea wakando, then the other agencies and Bossa I want to show you that Ebonies, not to say Ebonies so we are using this as a launch pad in order to take that to the future.
All right, I'm going to go to Dr. Bossa just briefly, then we'll take a break, and then when we return, we'll go deeper into the event, the 47-year celebration. But while I was talking to him, he tells me that they have actually done over 100 productions. Now, for you who doesn't understand that production is omuzanyo mulamba. Ntino, bagenze, mulimu rehearsals, mulimu props yebintu bateka ku stage, mulimu sometimes they compose music for those specific productions. There's just so much that happens in that. And then recently they even started Bainalogia. Before there's a production, they do like a premiere of sorts. It's 100 plus, and this is not just one person, it's a group of, each production is based like how many people? Like 100?
Yes, about 100.
Like 100. That's a lot of work. But let me take you way back, because 47 years, I just want to understand, besides Ebonies singing, the acting, play number one. Do you remember play number one? What was it called?
Yeah, actually, we got what I say. Ebonies started as a musical group. By then, it was Jimmy Katemba with the Ebonies. And this is more correction.
Yes.
On the OT. Jimmy used to sing in the Escatos. Escatos is a choir, an independent choir.
In church?
In church, a ginger and so on.
Okay.
But then he was spotted by Katemba, with his voice.
Oh, yeah.
So they teamed up. Oichiba now founding Ebonies. So Jimmy Nayoka becoming the lead singer in the Ebonies. And so group level, and it was a musical group since 1977. Actually, drama yawekera music. The music is just acted. I mean, the drama, I think it's a minor thing, but music they are leading.
Yes.
Later, about 1987 there, Ochiba Katemba, Nayoka Wandiko, actually, young number, Ogenda Kuzanya Muzanya Kumo. And me, the biggest problem in school was cramming. Cramming.
Scripting.
Subjects like history. So when he told me about that, because it was his first play now, he said, the dollar. Because I joined as a singer. I used to sing in church. Now insisting, he's very good at spotting talent. So we are insisting so now one goes anyway, the dollar. So that was our first play.
The dollar.
Not with actual music. Kakati, we told us at the National Theatre. National Theatre. After the show, in the foyer, people were like, there was a terrible discussion there and debate. No, he was a real priest. No, he wasn't a real priest. No, there was a African priest of Bamchigo or something like that. That's when it first dawned on me, Osanga, Nizo, Quality, or Osanga. And as they say, the rest is history.
That year is which year?
That was 1989.
89. Nga general yafuga.
Yes. That was 89. That's when we started drama.
Oh.
Kati nga drum and the music yawerekera ku drama.
Hey, what was that year president? 1977.
77, that was Amin.
Amin.
Marshall.
We mwali muyimbira.
Yes, Amin.
Then okuva kwa Amin what?
Amin ne wabaawo Lule, ne wabaawo Binayisa, ne wabaawo Kitokero. Tuzanya.
Mukyaliyo namawulire. So Ebonies Bajaguzza presidency.
About 6 of them, I think.
6 presidents. We're gonna run a break. We're gonna take a break right now to come out with a full plan on how we're gonna be celebrating the 47 years of the Ebonies. If you're watching NBS After 5, we want to thank
to cut us across. We go to all the artists. Tulina bali abali wabeta. Tulina abali wabo makati. Tulina neba Gen Z. Tulina neba celebrities abaliko Miss Uganda and so on. Kweka twagadde kweka pasinga the whole bulungi nnyo. So that is kakati naye nga content erimu bingi waliwo byesagadde ate kusaabulula to spoil it for you people. But you just can imagine having all these people on stage and seeing them live. First of all, it's Chijakuba memories. Memories. When I was celebrating 33 years in the industry, it so happened that the president came and was not blessing the occasion.
Your birthday? I preached.
Yes, he preached on that day.
You were celebrating? When everybody was celebrating?
No, that was me now.
33?
Yes, 33 years.
The president came?
Yes, he did come.
Kati preached before the president.
He preached before the president. And the president recognized him. Kati yagamba nti I saw this guy when I was still young. And
he was young.
Ngajereka abantu b'ekibuga. That's life matter, right?
Yes.
That's life matter. So kwegamba ekyo kiraga nti abantu bangi nnyo balaba that's life matter kabakyali bato. So those memories tugenda kuzizuukusa zigenda kubanga zijja.
I'm going to interrupt
you. Watch the show.
I'm going to interrupt you just briefly. Today, Chiboga. Was the play shot in Chiboga, or were you just like?
It was just like, you know, kakati nga twagala okuteekawo that difference. Tulina omuwala Eviki ali mu kibuga. Kakati tugenda okufuna omuwala nakawunde nga tulina okunoonya ekyalo
n'ekibuga si wala.
By then, akati kibuga because the roads
back then it was really far.
By then it was far. It was far. Era ng'olabanga kyalo.
I'm trying to imagine singa omuzannyo gwo gwali stage kisaawa zino singa ab'ekibuga bali ku social media mutuveeko ngabe nasa na bebekalakasa. I would imagine Tupeko, but as a child growing up, I used to think, okay, Chiboga is so far, it should be very, very remote. Well, that's the picture you painted in the...
Oh yes. So, you know, she encompassing abantu bangi nyo audience yaffe ejja kubanga eri kumpita. Tulina abo abaali mu biseera ebyo, tulina ba Gen Zs abaagala okumanya ebyaliwo mu biseera ebyo ne kumanya ekitumovies ekitutekinze on, because Ebonies tugenda tutambulira just as she said, tutambula n'omulembe nga bwe bagutambula, tetukkiriza kusigala mabega.
Okay.
Yes.
Before we give you any other detail, first of all, let's announce the guest of honor for the Ebonies celebration of 47 years. This is a person, Tamara Gadja. No. So this is actually very special. Do the honors, Dr. Bossa.
Oyo abamama waffe bandokutereera bulungi ne mwogera. Our guest of honor will be the Nabagereka, Sylvia Najinga. Yasiimye okubaawo ng'abiri mu sserera wano nga tucelebratinga emyaka namusa 47 years nga tuli mu nsiike eya entertainment. Tumwebaza nnyo.
Mama Nabagereka tumuwa obugalo. Abaganda masiba. Tusiimye nnyo ddala. Naye ndabyekuko Ssaabasajja naye yakyalirako.
Oh yes. Bwe twali tugulawo theatre amaka gaffe, theatre la bonita.
Yes.
Ssaabasajja yasiima n'ajja n'agagulawo. Yes.
Okay, so kyakitiibwa nti you're going to be amidst royals. You're going to be amidst royalty as we celebrate 47 years of the Ebonies. We want to appreciate everyone who has been part of this journey, who is part of this journey. Abaliwo, bagenda okubaawo n'abaaliwo, mwenna mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala. Naye twagala obajjukiza ennaku z'omwezi zijja kuba 2 December, ennaku Simba, 10 days. 10 days. Yes, so 10 days from now, tujja kuba mu Kampala Serena Hotel, ate nate tujagulize wamu ne Ebonies okuyingira. Ngenda kubamba wa figures ezo naye nga tables $2 million, thousand. We break down the
tickets. It's so called
150
is that was and the tables 3 million, 5 million.
3 and 5. So 15, 3 million and 5 million. Okay, and the tickets are available on www.nextticketing.com. Ogenda ku platform yaffe eyo osobola okigulako tiketi eyo in the comfort of your home. Tewetaaga kutambula ate kujja ku Labonita oba Serena nyegamunyiza oba oli muntu akulidde mu myaka gamba mutabani wo ngulira tiketi yawe. This is the point. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Hello everyone. My name is Hussein Marijan. An actor. Been acting for quite a while.
Ebonies muzanya mu Luganda naye oluzungu Doctor Chicho.
No, this is the idea. This is the concept. So, being an actor, I mean, these are like the ground setters. They started the foundation, they built it, being on screen. I've been on screen for 10 years. Yeah, I've been working back to back. And now, getting the opportunity to work with the Ebonies is like an infusion of what used to be, what it's been, and now what's going to be. Yeah, so quite an interesting concept that I really felt like it was an honor to be a part of this. And of course, it's talent all the way, and it's a blessing to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lastly,
hey everyone, my name is Wanda Idris, aka Naita. I'm one of the production team on the